Just check it out. Yo, check it. Yo, I got slugs for snitches, no love for bitches, putting thugs in ditches with my trigger finger itches. I got a rep to make police jet, known to get a pre-sweat. I never beg for pussy like Keith Sweat. It's Big L, slow hell no. Bitches get fucked on a roof when I ain't got no hotel dough. I'm known for yoking Japs and beating them with smoking gats, leaving token blacks with broken backs and open caps. So with that bullshit, step to the rear, son. The last thing you want with Big L is a fair one. Cause in the street brawl, I strike men like lightning. You seen what happened in my last fight, friend? I beat kids with lead pipes. I leave trails of dead mics where I'm from. Niggas, Jews get ran like red lights. Old folks get mugged and raided. Crimes are drug related, and we live by the street rules that thugs created. Clowns get smoked, about 1,000 folks are selling pounds of coke front in this town and get a text stuck down your throat. I'm telling you, shit is about to get drastic soon. I'm quick to blast a goon and break a motherfucker like a plastic spoon. I got the looks to make your hottie stare. I keep a shotty near. It's that nigga with naughty hair who got him fear. Tracks I'm known to roast until the microphone is ghost. Props I own the most. I'm leaving niggas comatose. Fun and get your brain pinched. Big L, I have your whole gang lit. I started smoking dust and been insane since.